If Photoshop is stopping with error 136, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest fixes step by step so you can get the install or update moving again. This usually happens when Creative Cloud gets stuck, a file fails to unpack properly, or a temporary network issue interrupts the process. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it without reinstalling everything from scratch. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. First, let's try the fastest fix. When the installation stops, look for the Download Failure dialog box. If you see a Retry button, click it. This is important because sometimes error 136 is only caused by a brief issue, like a short network drop or a temporary memory conflict on your computer. After you click Retry, watch the progress bar carefully. If it starts moving again and passes the point where it froze before, that usually means the temporary block is gone. Let the installation finish completely, and once it's done, launch Photoshop directly from the Creative Cloud desktop app. If that works, you're good to go. But if the retry option does not fix the problem, then we need to move on to the deeper fix. At this point, Adobe's Creative Cloud app framework may be damaged or unable to unpack the installation files correctly. So the next step is to fully close Creative Cloud first. On Windows, click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of your taskbar to open the System tray, then right-click the Creative Cloud icon and choose Quit. Make sure it's completely closed before continuing. Next, use the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. This tool is designed to remove leftover installation files and corrupted data that can trigger error 136. Download the official Creative Cloud Cleaner tool from Adobe, then run it as an administrator so it has full permission to clean the broken files. Follow the prompts on screen, select your language, and choose the target related to Photoshop or Creative Cloud. When you get the option, choose Clean All, then wait for the process to finish successfully. Once that's done, the next step is to download the Standalone installer from Adobe's official website. Search for Adobe's Creative Cloud Desktop App Alternative Installers page, and make sure you download the direct installation file for your operating system. If you're on Windows, grab the Windows version. If you're on macOS, download the Mac version. This matters because the Standalone installer is often able to replace corrupted background components that the normal web-based installer cannot fix. Now open the file you downloaded and run the setup. The installer will scan your computer and overwrite the broken or locked Creative Cloud directories with fresh files. Give it a few moments to complete. After the setup finishes, open Creative Cloud again, sign back into your Adobe account, and then try installing or updating Photoshop one more time. In most cases, this clean reinstall of the Creative Cloud framework clears error 136 and lets the app install normally. If Photoshop starts downloading again without freezing, that means the fix worked. And if you want to avoid running into this issue again, always keep Creative Cloud updated, make sure your internet connection is stable, and avoid force closing the installer while it's working. If this guide helped you solve Photoshop error 136, please like the video and subscribe for more software fixes, troubleshooting tutorials, and simple step-by-step walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.